What's up guys, it's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair, here at one of my buddy's detail shops to come check out this really smashed, brand new 19 Ford Explorer quarter panel. We explained to them that we weren't even 100% sure that we were going to be able to do the repair, but it's a high profile customer and he wants us to give it a shot, so I agreed to. So let's go check it out. Hours in this day. Probably have another 2 hours to go. Still got this back side and a ton of cleanup to do. But it's definitely getting there for as smashed as this thing was. Super stretched. So let's check it. Check back in a couple hours. Alright guys, so we're 9.5 hours in. Turned out pretty good. It's about 90% repair. Pretty extensive throughout this body line. We had to pretty much rebuild that complete body line. It was actually a repair that I ended up passing on originally, but due to who the owner was adamant about us doing the repair. So turned out pretty good. It's not 100%, but I could work on this thing for 2 more weeks and it still wouldn't be 100%. But I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching.
Alright, let's check out this magic. Let's check out this magic. Dang. Are you serious?
I was married to it.
Wow.
10 hours of love.
So my wife, I'm going to blame it on her pregnant brain. We were backing out of the house the other day, and she ended up being in the yard and hitting the mailbox. And he's a friend of a friend. And I hit him up, like, sent him a photo. I'm like, can you fix this with your paintless dent repair? Because we just met at SEMA. And he's like, no, that's got to go to the body shop. And then he hit me up later. He's like, oh, let me check it out. Obviously, you love what you do. So we met, and he's like, let me work on it. Let me see what I can do. No promises. And wow, I am blown away, man.
Turned out pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't know, you don't know.
No hole drill, factory paint.
Well, you said you were going to have to drill a hole in here.
Borderline, yeah. It was so extreme in this section. It's going to drill a hole here because the access from the back is super tight. But did it without drilling a hole.
Wow. I am super impressed. We just bought this truck for her, and she did that, and she was like heartbroken. So I'm going to go home, and happy wife, happy life. You know that. So
Sit.
Oh, thank you, man. Great job. I really appreciate you doing it. It looks absolutely perfect. Hopefully you can show them what it looked like before.
Oh, yeah.
Sick.